I'm today with Andrew Good. He has a session at the first Canadian Day. What is your session about?
What are your options for manufacturing in Business Central?
That's nice. And how you find the event?
It's been fabulous for an in-person event. It's nice to get everyone back together after COVID, and there's a real energy in the room. So, yeah.
What we should do for people to assist to our virtual sessions on the 15th. It's an educational session, and we will invite them through LinkedIn to come and assist for education purposes.
Come and learn. And if you're comfortable, we're going to ask you to come and share at a future point in time too, because it is about the users, people that love and are passionate about BC. So we're really trying to get things moving in Canada, not just quote Toronto. Some people look at the world as being Toronto-centric. No, we're looking at Canada. We're looking at Montreal. We're looking at Quebec. We're looking at Western Canada. We're all one group.
Thank you for our Canadian leader. Thank you so much, Andrew. Good luck in your session.